I'm just going to show you how to stream music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in the Ford Fiesta. So first of all, you've got to go to iTunes. Now, it used to be quite easy to see and describe to people, because that there used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles around the top, but for some reason my phone's just been updated and it's gone to silver. But you see there sync at the bottom. It's quite hard to see, but if I click on that sync, so there's a tick next to it, so whatever you play on your phone will come through the sound system here if you want it to. So we'll go back to the record. I've turned it down. Now you have to click, if you're on radio or anything, you have to click auxiliary. That's saying play music from auxiliary in. So you have to press aux a couple of times sometimes. Sometimes it'll come straight onto your Bluetooth phone. Sometimes you have to press it a couple of times. So click that, USB. Click it again. There you go. It's we've just scrolled round to what's playing on my phone here, and now I'm going to turn this up, but there you go. That's just to prove it's playing, but I can't leave it playing too long, otherwise I'd get a copyright strike. But as you can see, it's playing there through the system. That's it. It's a real good system and fairly easy to use. Thanks for watching.